Good day everyone. So I'm going to discuss about the my activity 1 on training facilities. So here's my list of tools, equipment and materials under the qualification of NC2 cookery. So we have here the training requirement, the training activity, tools, equipment, materials, of quantity, description. Here's meat. It depends on the activity if they need some ingredients or meat on performing. So, um, the list of tools, equipment, and materials is important in training facilities because it ensures trainee to have a proper resources to practice and develop the required skills. So of course when they will do or perform the activity, they need to have an appropriate equipment and tools on making it, and it is very important because if they don't have equipment and tools, how will they develop and enhance or apply those skills and knowledge when it comes to real world scenarios like performing laboratory or hands-on practices. So next, let's go to the next activity. So So after the training tools, facilities, and equipment, we have here the training facility. So the recommended space requirement for the various teaching learning areas are as follows. We have the teaching and learning areas, size in meters, total area in square meters. So it is based on the TR. Then we have here the student training working space, lecture demo room, the laboratory, which is really needed, learning resource center, facilities, equipment, and the total workshop area, and the course block, which is the cookery and C2. So next activity in trainees training record book. So here's the activity 2, the trainees record book or TRB. You have here the name of the student, the ID number, the qualification, then supervisor's name, the duration time, and the qualification, which is the cookery NC2. So we have here instructions, the name of the school or the institution, then the faculty and staff, president, and the other staffs. So here you will see the learning outcome, training activity required, date accomplished, and the supervisor's remark about the students, the trainees record book. So trainees record book is important because it serves as a record of trainees' progress, performance, and accomplishment during the training. So let's go now to the next one. Here's the next activity. So the activity 3, the trainees progress sheet. So you have the unit of competency, the training activity, training duration, date started, date finished, the ratings, the trainees and supervisors initial. So trainees progress sheet, it is important because it tracks the trainees learning and skill development step by step. So up until here. So that's it po. Thank you for listening.